Howdy y'all. I've got my Blackstone Griddle in here and I'm getting ready to unbox it. Alright folks, this is what we have here. I kind of got it all out of the box. Please excuse the camera movement. I'm holding it. I'm doing this by hand now. You get the base. The base comes with it here, and it's got adjustable legs. There are like little notches in the legs. I'll show you here. You have this knob right here, and you have these little notches in the legs. I don't know if you can see those notches or not, but you just set it down into one of those notches and screw it in. I think there's 4 notches on it. This is the highest level right here. And then you have the griddle, the base of the griddle, which has tube burners in it, and you've got your 2 knobs for each gas burner. So if you want to leave one side cold, that'll allow you to move your food over to one side. It has a nice lid on it, you know, that I can close when I'm not using it. I really like that feature. It also comes with the griddle itself, and this griddle sits right on top of that right there. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's got a handle on it. So I'll find out more about that when I look in the manual. There's the manual right there. That's a grease catch container that attaches to it. Now they've got 2 types of gas hookups. They have this one for the large tanks that you see on a lot of gas grills, and then for these small ones here, you can find these in the camping section. I like using these too. It comes with this attachment right here, so you've got some options there, and it all comes like that, and I just have to put it together. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together, and I'll get back with you. Alright folks, and there she be. Well, look, thanks for joining me. For those of you who are subscribed, I love y'all. I appreciate you tuning in. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please do. Hit the subscribe button down below, and if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button. Until next time, cheers y'all.